Good day, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to join workshop on UI GreenMetric World University Ranking 2022, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Zulkurnain Bin Shahadan, Director of Polytechnic, Sultan Idris, Selangor, Malaysia. Today, I'm going to talk about best practice towards sustainability development in Polytechnic, Sultan Idris. Ladies and gentlemen, nowadays the world is continually affected by environmental pollution and climate change, and it is getting worse. These problems not only give a negative impact on the environment, but also to the society and economy due to rapid development and not well-managed use of natural resources. Because of this, almost all countries have taken initiative to reduce the effects. Educational institutions, especially polytechnic and community colleges, Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia are seen as catalysts and main platform in applying the value of awareness, knowledge and skill to maintain balance, well-being and sustainable development. So the environment with education cannot be separated from its role in creating sustainable development. Polytechnic and community colleges, Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, play the role of the largest TVET training provider and have contributed more than 60% of the workforce in the field of TVET in the country. Therefore, the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education has taken the initiative to launch the blueprint Smart Green Polytechnic and Community College 2021-2026 that can support and implement the country's sustainable development initiative through the empowerment of green culture and conservation in polytechnic and community colleges. Polytechnic Sultan Asia is also known as PSIS, as Center of Environmental Technology and Smart Green Community, which play an important role as coordinators in creating a sustainable green campus environment. Therefore, Center of Environmental Technology and Smart Green Committee, with the backing of top management in collaboration with industries and government agencies, have implemented the best practice, namely PSIS Green Campus Program, Green Studio Project, and aquaponic with solar system towards sustainability development. PSIS Green Campus Program, launched in 2019, is more of an awareness program conducted annually with different themes. The most basic activities organized are seminars, exhibitions, competition, green cafeteria campaign, recyclable waste collection, and healthy programs such as aerobic exercise, cycling, and brisk walking. The PSIS Green Campus Program continues with online e-quiz contests, short video competition, online presentation, and virtual run during the COVID-19 pandemic and endemic periods. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, the construction of Green Studio at Polytechnic Sultan Idris was an effort to educate students about the potential of green technology. The Green Studio construction project, made from interlocking block, is a cutting-edge invention by making use of renewable, recyclable, and eco-friendly building supplies. Apart from it, the solar energy is used as source for light and fans in the building, and it is the best way to reduce the carbon dioxide footprint and can prevent environmental pollution. In addition, this greenhouse also serves as a teaching tool for the industrialized building system and energy system courses. PSIS aquaponic system with solar panel is an expanding knowledge for students through the mini projects of internet-based controller course with real system application and problem using software. with the belief that Polytechnic plays a crucial role in generating a new generation concerned with sustainability. This initiative has been able to promote sustainability community services that are organized and engaged by students. Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah via UI GreenMetric World University Ranking moved up from 648 to 644 place on 2021. PSIS is committed to doing all it can to make the campus a leader among polytechnic and community colleges in implementation of sustainable management practices. PSIS committed in bolstering and bettering sustainable project accomplishment objectives to gain recognized as sustainable campus. Green initiative and student culture might benefit from university ranking. As a conclusion, toward the empowerment of green culture, Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah has embraced numerous best practices. The goal is to educate and empower people for sustainable development on how to live in a way that improve not only our own standard of living, but also that future generation. In this way, cooperation and connection between higher education institutions, stakeholders, and local government positively affect regional sustainability by offering knowledge and research to meet their role, duty, and obligation in sustainability. Finally, I hope that these good practices will continue with some new projects planning to strengthen the sustainability development strategy. With that note, thank you for being a patient listener. Polytechnic Sultan Idris Shah, designing your future.